Committee on Foreign Relations Chairperson Amy Marcos asks DILG Secretary John Vic about his statements in an interview.
Kayo ho ba? And who was really on top of this? So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. So hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira.
Stand by that, ma'am.
Last man standing doon sa Malacanang.
Napakaliwanag po ng sinabi ninyo. Wala namang mapakiyaw-kiyaw doon sa sinabi.
Yes, ma'am.
Napakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa kahit ako ang kasama ng presidente nung nagsalita sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo sa TV.
I must state it very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly, we were all talking about a rumor, ma'am, and that was all.
Rumor lang yon. Group effort ang sabi